I'm having trouble replace the mower belt on the snapper model ###. Have
you replaced parts of your snapper lawn mower before? If so, how long ago?
No, I haven't. I have replaced belts on other riding mowers.
How long has this been going on with your snapper lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
The old belt broke. This is a new belt.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I removed the deck and need to know how to put on the new one.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Here is the deck belt diagram. https://www.parts3.com/parts/snapper/mowers lawn garden tractor/SPX2042-2691020 snapper 42 lawn tractor 20 horsepower SPX 150 series/42 mower deck clutch group/.
I have the diagram. I'm doing something wrong or not in the correct order. Do I put the new belt on the arbor drive pulley first and then attach to the other 4 pulleys? I'm not able to extend the belt all the way. I'm missing something.
The drive pulley is the last to be used. Put the belt on the others, then get deck under the unit and then on the drive pulley.
Do I need to loosen the bolt on the drive pulley?
No.
Belt doesn't reach all the way, something I'm not doing.
Owner's manual is useless. Do you see the lever that moves the idler pulley? It has to be in the relaxed position to get the belt in place and then move to lock it in place to tighten the belt.
Do you mean to engage the motor? This model has a lever that you pull up to engage the blades. It is pushed down to disengage.
No, number 60 in the parts link I sent.
Okay, I see that. How do I make sure it is in the relaxed position?
Pull it back away from the belt.
Okay, thanks. I'll go try that.
170 is the latch for the idler lever. https://www.parts3.com/parts/snapper/mowers lawn garden tractor/SPX 2042-2691020 snapper 42 lawn tractor 20 horsepower SPX 150 series/42 mower deck height adjustment roller bar group/.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.